chocolate strawberry frozen yogurt bites. A sweet, delicious treat and so easy to make. Trust the process, believe in yourself. Now let's sweeten things up. All right, first you want to grab a baking pan and line it with parchment paper, and then go ahead and set that aside. We're going to get a medium mixing bowl, and we're going to take 2 cups of diced strawberries and just 1 cup of strawberry Greek yogurt. And we're just going to stir to combine those two. All right, once we have the 2 combined, it's just going to look like a chunky mixture. We're going to go ahead and pull our baking sheet back over. And you can take a tablespoon, you can take just a normal mixing spoon. I'm taking a number 40 ice cream scoop. You'll want it to be about 2-inch diameter. Just space them evenly on your paper. Okay, once you have your pan full, we're going to go ahead and put this in the freezer for about 30 minutes. It'll be just until they're completely frozen. All right, now we're going to take 12 ounces of chocolate chips. They could be dark chocolate, milk chocolate, white chocolate, whichever you prefer. I'm using dark chocolate today. And 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Then we're going to put this microwave safe dish in the microwave for 30-second intervals until your chocolate chips are completely melted. All right, here's after the first 30 seconds. We're just going to stir this around. Just kind of get some of that oil combined. In for another 30 seconds. Here's the second one. We're getting there. Looks like we might need just 1 more. Now that we've got this all smooth and melted, we're going to go ahead and set this aside and let it cool for just a few minutes. Okay, it took a little longer than 30 minutes to get these frozen, but you want to just test it, make sure it's completely solid and doesn't fall apart when you pick it up like this. So we're going to take our melted chocolate and we let it cool for a few minutes so it doesn't melt this yogurt. We're going to just place it right in and just kind of coat it, pick it up carefully, and then just place it right back on your pan. And keep doing this for the rest of the yogurt bites that you have. All right, now that we have them all covered in chocolate, we're just going to put them back in the freezer for just a few more minutes to set up. Okay, now that they're all frozen and ready to go, we're going to get David in here, see if he wants to try some of these. We haven't had these before. Let's get him in here. David, got a new treat.
Sup?
It's melting in my hand.
Trying to be street cool.
It's chocolate covered strawberry frozen yogurt bites. It's basically frozen yogurt with extra strawberries diced in and frozen. It's a very easy, sweet, refreshing treat, actually.
Well,
bite into it.
I thought we hadn't tried these before.
We haven't.
Refreshing.
Well, that's what they say.
We're going to tell you if they're refreshing. Dark chocolate, huh?
Uh-huh. This is a very versatile treat. You can use dark chocolate, milk chocolate, white chocolate. You can use a different flavored yogurt, different fruit.
Delicious.
It is delicious. It's easy to make. It'd be good for like a sweet Valentine's treat. It's like chocolate covered strawberries, basically. Trust the process. Believe in yourself.
Believe in yourself.
Have a great day.
Great day. Have a good day.